Hello everyone, finally it's December. I hope you all have geared up your preparation for UPSC Prelims 2025. Now, talking to most of the students often say that they are facing the problem of content or they are facing the problem of the number of hours they are giving. But now 173 days are left and you must know that what are the major mistakes aspirants often do. The mistakes are not regarding much of the number of hours. The mistakes is regarding the understanding the demand of UPSC. Students often fail to understand the demand of UPSC. The focus is more on random current affairs rather than static part. Secondly, what they are doing is they are randomly solving n number of test series which leads them to nowhere and ignoring PYQs, which is the major pillar of UPSC prelims preparation. Another problem which the student faces is the low reading stamina. They read for 15 minutes and then they give long breaks. Either there will be one random day, they will be reading for 15 plus hours and then reading nothing for next 3 days. Finally, another issue is untimely doubt resolution. Untimely doubt resolution creates havoc in the mind of students. It leads them to frustration and costs them their 1 year. Now, what are the major pillars of UPSC preparation? The major pillars are very simple. It's the precise content. What does precise content means? It is the static subjects and the current affairs. And the current affairs must be relevant. Another pillar is the PYQ solving. PYQ solving, as I said before, is a major pillar of your preparation. Ignoring PYQs can cost you another 1 year. Next, the third pillar is the mock test. You have to regularly give mock test. Mock test helps you to analyze your performance. It gives you your analysis of strength and weaknesses so that you can work upon them. Another pillars are perseverance, and finally guided mentorship is icing on the cake. Sambhavam is back with its Super 200 program, which is a comprehensive program from prelims to interview. So how this program is going to solve your problem? First pillar of this program is the content. It focuses both on static as well as current affairs. There will be micro sessions specially focusing on places in news, speeches in news, and other special sessions which highlights the relevant current affairs part. The second feature of this program is online real-time PYQ solving. Yes, we will be solving PYQs along with you. How this would help you? This would help you to analyze that how to solve the PYQs. What is the mental state you go through? How do you analyze that which option is correct? How to eliminate? So we'll be doing it along with you, yes, in the classes itself. The third feature of this program is personalized assessment of your test. There will be mentor which will be assigned to you. They will be guiding you that which are the strengths and which are the weaknesses so that you can improve your score day by day. Weekly test will help you to analyze your performance and help you improve day by day so that you can perform well on your D-Day, that is 25th May 2025. And the final feature of this program is multiple revisions. Yes, multiple revisions is the key feature of this program. Students often fail to revise the same content again and again. Repetition is the key. Yes, repetition is the key. So what we'll be doing here is revise the same content multiple times, static as well as current affairs, so that you do not forget the things on the D-Day. You do not forget the things during the exam. Multiple revisions will increase the concept clarity and help you boost your score in the exam. Now, what's keeping you apart? It's the overthinking. It's already December. Without overthinking and much delay, Super 200 program is live. You can join this program. We at Sambhavam are eager to solve your problems and help you in this journey so that you can achieve your dreams. Thank you for giving your valuable time to us.